Hi everybody and welcome to Springfield South WIC's Mini Series on how to incorporate more whole grains, fruits and veggies, and protein foods into your diet. My name is Sarah and I will talk about why each of these food groups are important, and I will also show you how to make 3 different recipes that will hopefully not only spark interest in your mind on how you can incorporate these foods in your life, but to also give you an idea on how you can use your WIC benefits to help reach your goals and to eat an overall healthy diet. So please follow along, and I hope you enjoy. When I say protein, I want you guys to think of building blocks. This is because protein is used in our bodies to build so many important things to make sure that we function properly. Every cell in our body needs protein. Protein helps our bodies by fighting off infections, repairing muscles, and building enzymes. Therefore, it's very important that we eat enough protein. Protein foods come from 2 different sources, animal and plant. Animal sources of protein include chicken, beef, pork, seafood, and eggs. Plant sources of protein includes foods like beans, nuts, seeds, lentils, and soy products. Not only is it important to eat enough protein, it's also important that we eat a variety of protein, meaning that we eat protein foods that come from both animal and plant sources. This is because some animal sources of protein can actually raise our LDL cholesterol levels in our blood that can raise our risk of getting heart disease. So it's very important that we eat protein foods that are both animal sources and plant sources. Along with magnesium, zinc, and some B vitamins, protein foods also contain a nutrient called iron. Iron is super important for our bodies because its job is to carry oxygen to the cells in our bodies so they can function properly. When we don't have enough iron for our cells to use in our bodies, we may feel tired all the time, we can experience headaches more frequently, and sometimes our tongues can even get inflamed. Interestingly enough, the iron that is found in plant sources of protein needs some help from vitamin C to make sure that it gets absorbed fully. All this means is that when we are eating plant sources of protein, we should also make sure that we are eating vitamin C foods. Vitamin C is found in foods that are citrus fruits, red and green bell peppers, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts. The recipe for this video is called Cowboy Caviar. This recipe is loaded with plant sources of protein and vitamin C foods. So follow along and learn how to make Cowboy Caviar. The materials needed to make this recipe include a big bowl, can opener, measuring cup, cutting mat or a board, and a knife. Majority of the ingredients for this recipe can be bought with your WIC benefits. Those foods include a can of chickpeas, black beans, pinto beans, corn, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, a red onion, 5 stalks of celery, and 3 cloves of garlic. The other ingredients include a 4-ounce can of green chilies and some olive oil. One tip when mincing garlic is to take the flat side of your knife and smash the garlic clove. That will make peeling the garlic much easier. To cut an onion, the first step you're going to want to do is to cut right down the root of the onion. With the flat side facing down, you're then going to want to cut a little bit off the other end so you can peel the onion more easily. The next step is a bit tricky, and I recommend skipping it if you're not comfortable with your knife skills. But you're going to cut these slits right across the onion, a couple of them, without cutting all the way through the onion, like this. After that, you're going to want to cut down through the onion, again making slits going across the whole onion. And then you can dice the onion up, and you will get perfectly small diced onion pieces. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you check out the other videos in this mini-series. I also hope you learned a lot about why protein foods and iron is important for our health. See you next time on Springfield South WIC's mini-series.